In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to annotate a PDF in OneNote so it feels like you're editing it. This approach is perfect when you want to mark up, highlight, or add notes to a PDF without leaving OneNote. We'll bring the PDF into a page, lock it in place, and then write or type right on top of it. First, insert the PDF as a printout. In OneNote, open the page where you want the PDF to appear. Go to the Insert tab and choose File Printout. Pick your PDF, and OneNote will place each page of the PDF on your note as an image. If you prefer a quicker route, you can also drag and drop the PDF file straight into your OneNote page. When OneNote prompts you, choose Insert as Printout. Either way, you'll see the PDF pages laid out as pictures that you can view and annotate. This is great because it keeps the original layout intact, including fonts, images, and spacing. Next, lock that PDF image in place so you don't accidentally nudge it while writing. Right-click the PDF image, or Control-click on a Mac, and select Set Picture as background. This pins the printout to the page, so your annotations stay aligned with the content. It's a small step that makes a big difference in keeping things neat and frustration-free. Now you're ready to add your annotations. Head to the Draw tab, where you can pick a pen, highlighter, or shapes. Choose a color and thickness that stand out against the PDF for clarity. Use the pen to underline, circle, and handwrite notes. The highlighter is perfect for calling out key lines or paragraphs without covering the text. Shapes like boxes and arrows can help you label diagrams or direct attention to important sections. If you're on a touch device, a stylus will give you even more precision. Need to correct something? Use the eraser tool or press undo to step back. You can also type directly on the page, click anywhere to create a text box, and start typing your notes. Put typed comments in the margins to keep the PDF content visible, or place text over the image when you need to add labels or longer explanations. Zoom in for fine details and zoom out to review the full page. With these tools, you've effectively turned your static PDF into an interactive document you can review, annotate, and reference right inside OneNote.